Let's talk about something real. If you've been feeling isolated, overlooked, or like everything you touch is just being delayed, this isn't punishment. This is preparation. There are signs, divine signs, that a breakthrough is near, especially if you're a chosen one, someone called by God for a greater purpose. Then trust what you're going through right now. It's not random. If it feels like people are falling away, they are. Before God elevates you, He often isolates you. Not because you're not loved, but because not everyone can come where you are going. Your circle might be getting smaller. Your phone might not ring like it used to. And you might be wondering, why am I alone? But isolation is sacred space. It's where God fine-tunes your spirit, detoxes your soul from distractions, and prepares you for the next level purpose. Don't fear the quiet. That silence is God's canvas. You've been feeling everything so deeply. Old memories are resurfacing. Your triggers are louder. Your heart is more sensitive than usual. Why? Because God is purging you. He's pulling things to the surface so that God can heal them. This emotional turbulence isn't a breakdown. It's a breakthrough in motion. Don't numb it. Don't run from it. Let the healing happen. What's leaving you is not meant for where you're going. Doors close so that new doors can open. When it seems like every opportunity is a no, that's not rejection. That's divine redirection. Sometimes God will shut every door just to get your attention, to make sure that you don't settle for good when He's calling you to great. God's not punishing you. God is protecting you. Delayed is not denial. And what's not aligned is meant to fall away. If you've been feeling a strong urge to declutter, not just your home, but your soul, pay attention to that. You're being led to release old habits, toxic relationships, false identities, even parts of your personality you built just to survive. God is making space because what's coming is too big to fit inside your old life. Letting go is not loss, it's alignment. There's a moment in the journey where things get still. You stop forcing, you stop chasing, you stop over-explaining yourself. And for once, even with the unknown, you feel peace. That's not apathy. That's alignment. When you stop striving, you start receiving. This stillness is holy. It's your spirit syncing with the divine timeline. You might feel like a stranger to your old life and not quite at home in your new one. This is the in-between, the sacred transition zone. It's uncomfortable because you're shedding layers and you're evolving. You don't recognize yourself because you're finally becoming who you were always meant to be. Don't rush this space. God is building new roots in hidden soil. You can feel it, the shift, the call, the next level that's tugging on your soul. It's not easy, but what next level would be? You don't have the full picture yet, and that's faith. God often gives the vision long before the steps. And if you're feeling the pull, don't wait for clarity to start preparing. Start walking. The breakthrough doesn't begin when everything's ready. It begins when you obey without all the answers. If these signs are speaking to you, hear this. God didn't forget you. God is forming you. You're not behind. You're being aligned. Your breakthrough is not coming in the future. It's already unfolding now. Trust the silence. Trust the discomfort. Trust the detours. The preparation is proof that the blessing is personal. Keep going, because what's ahead of you is worth every hidden battle that you have fought to get here. God bless.